The Igbo people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Nigeria, with a rich cultural heritage that spans centuries. They are primarily found in the southeastern region of Nigeria known as Igbo land, but can also be found in neighboring African countries. The origin of the Igbo people can be traced back to the ancient NRI kingdom, considered one of the oldest civilizations in West Africa. Over time, the Igbo people migrated and established numerous city-states, each with its unique customs and traditions. The Igbo language, also known as Igbo or Igbo, is a tonal language belonging to the Niger-Congo language family. It is spoken by millions of Igbo people as their mother tongue and serves as a symbol of cultural identity and unity. Music and dance play a vital role in Igbo culture. Traditional Igbo music is characterized by the rhythmic beats of drums, flutes, and other instruments, accompanied by vibrant melodies and soulful vocals. Traditional dances like the ekpe and agaba showcase intricate footwork and rhythmic movements, often performed during social gatherings and festivals. Igbo cuisine is diverse and reflects the agricultural abundance of the region. Staple foods include yam, cassava, plantains, and various types of soups and stews. A popular Igbo dish is the ofe oha, a delicious soup made with oha leaves, assorted meat, and spices. Festivals hold immense cultural significance in Igbo society. The New Yam Festival, known as Iri-ji, celebrates the harvest season and is marked by colorful parades, cultural performances, and feasting. Other festivals include the Manwu Festival, featuring masquerades and traditional dances, and the Iwa-ji Festival, which focuses on the celebration of the Igbo culture and values. The Igbo people have a rich history of ancient empires, such as the NRI Kingdom and the Aro Confederacy, which played significant roles in trade, politics, and religious practices. These empires contributed to the development of the Igbo society and left a lasting impact on their cultural traditions. Igbo culture is deeply rooted in communal values, with extended family structures and strong community ties. Respect for elders, oral storytelling, and a deep sense of pride in their heritage are central to Igbo identity. Traditional Igbo attire, consisting of colorful fabrics and intricate designs, is proudly worn during important ceremonies and events. Despite facing historical challenges and modern-day changes, the Igbo people continue to preserve their cultural practices, passing them down through generations.